Cool. Say hi to you too, birdie. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Thank God I got my camera. Dear God. Hello? No, I'm outside. There, you have to see, there's a, oh, I forgot what it's called. A, big bird. Cool. Come here. Come. What? No, where all the birds are. Yeah, sure. That. Okay, bye. Oh, cool. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hi, girl. Hi. You're cute. Hello? I'm right here, Mom. Mom, look at it. Look at it. Look. I'm taking a video. Look at that. Look. Did you see that? Is that so cool? I watched it when it opened its wings things.
Turn around. We can go this way and get the picture of it actually.
No, I've been videotaping it now. It's so cool. When it shakes its face. Oh.
He's showing off.
I know.
It's like a Las Vegas showgirl. God, it's great.
Isn't that so cool? I mean, I was just walking around and I turned around and he opened up his wings.
That's the meeting.
I know.
Did you get a picture of those really... Those are some darn big chickens.
Did you? No, look, the ones over there have fuzzy feet. And they're fuzzy legs. I know, right?